Welcome to White Doodle Workshops for DLR Library. Today we will be drawing a simple St. Brigid's Day cross. Follow along with this simple line drawing. You can pause as required. St. Brigid's Day is celebrated on the 1st of February. St. Brigid's cross was traditionally made from reeds and hung in homes as a symbol of protection. When you finish your line drawing, add depth and dimension to your drawing by adding different shades of green. Start with the lightest green you have. Colour your whole cross with the light green. St. Brigid's Day, or Laoghaire-Rathdown as it's known in Irish, is also the day of Old Celtic festival Imbolc. Imbolc marks the start of the longer days. It's also the start of spring in the Celtic calendar. Finally, use your darker shade of green to add dimension to your cross. St. Brigid was christened by St. Patrick. Use a fine liner to add extra definition to your cross. St. Brigid is one of the patron saints of Ireland. Over time, word spread about St. Brigid. Her kindness, faith and the making of the cross became synonymous with her. The tradition now bears her name, St. Brigid's Cross. St. Brigid's Day will become a national holiday in 2023.